Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix can't deliver user unavailable on Messenger. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure your Google account is signed in. After that, get to the search menu and search for Messenger. Now check if the Messenger app has any updates available. If there are, make sure to install them and then open the app. Here, all of your recent chats will be displayed. You just need to check if the problem is solved. If it isn't, then go to the target account and select Restrict. After that, tap on the three lines icon at the bottom left corner. Then just select the Settings icon and locate the Privacy and Security tab. Inside it, access restricted accounts, find the target account and unrestrict them. You will then see that your problem has been solved. So that's basically how you can fix can't deliver user unavailable on Messenger. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.